Don't drink and drive. The BMW Original Accessory alcohol interlock device ensures traffic safety by controlling the electronic immobilizer of your BMW. Available for vehicles produced from July 2022 on, based on an alcohol breath test for the driver. The BMW alcohol interlock device can be installed and programmed by your BMW service partner. For example, if required by regulation, or just to make sure your children drive safely. When you press the Start-Stop button in a BMW installed with the alcohol interlock system, the cluster reminds you to conduct an alcohol breath test in order to be able to start the car. Take one of the enclosed sterile mouthpieces from the packaging and fit it onto the alcohol interlock device. Exhale sustainedly into the mouthpiece until you hear the clicking sound twice from the device. Check the test result. All good? If so, the electronic immobilizer is released, so the car can be started within a specific short period of time. Need a break? The system provides a free start period after switching off the car for 30 minutes. For example, if you need to make a quick stop, so you can start the car without an additional alcohol test. If the test result is not all right, the system blocks the starting of the engine for 2 minutes until you are able to redo the test. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.